Oh yeah, I'm here at my favorite quilt shop, So Yeah Quilting. Wait a minute, what's a scan and cut? Sublimation? $28,000? This has gone too far. I just want to make quilts.
And maybe you've had these thoughts when you walk into your local quilt store. Things change at such a fast rate. With new technology, new techniques, new fabric every single time you walk in, it can be overwhelming. So let's talk about it. Now let's just start with the normal expectation when you walk into your local quilt store. You're gonna walk through the front doors, meet some lovely people, and see the brand new product right up front and center, normally featuring patterns, kits, notions, and fabric. But it's hard to keep up with the Joneses sometimes, with Tula Pink, Lori Holt, Anna Maria Textiles all coming out with fabrics all the time, and that's only 3 of the 27 brands that we carry. It's impossible to keep up with it. So make sure that when you're walking through the quilt store, go towards the things that you like most, not the next flashy item. Also, there is so much more that quilt stores offer all across America. Cool equipment, techniques, and designs that can be found nowhere else besides your local quilt store. So let me go ahead and take you through all these amazing things, and you can decide if we've gone too far. Now, most quilt shops around the world have sewing machines at this point of some form. Now, have we gone too far in this? We have sewing machines here at So Yeah Quilting from $100 all the way up to $40,000 that do different things. But some of the features, we gotta ask ourselves if we're going too far. This right here is one of my most favorite machines. It's a Brother machine, and it's got a projector inside of it. Some of these machines have laser lights. Some of them have automatic cutting, automatic tensioners, automatic threading. So many features that we have to ask ourselves, are we pushing this too far? Because we gotta remember, back in the day, all we had was straight stitch, and we had hundreds of millions of people still enjoying this amazing craft. And we didn't just stop with the sewing machine. There are many more machines that have entered this market. Let me show you. And just to name off a few of the machines that have made it into the domestic market, we've got scan and cut, or cutting machines and scanning machines. You have sublimation machines like this one here. You also have printing machines that literally print fabric. That way you can get the perfect color for your next project. Additionally, you have tables like this one that go up and down, custom built cabinets, and we don't want to forget to mention computerized long arms and multi-needle embroidery machines. So again, we have to ask ourselves, at what level is too far? Every billboard in Las Vegas? We also have more substrates in our industry than ever before. Cottons, batiks, flannels, wovens, minkies, even over here, wax canvases, plain canvases, double dyed products, and so much more. And these substrates are going to different industries and different textiles than ever before. We're seeing mixed blends of cottons and polyesters in thread and in cotton. And quilters are starting to embrace these materials more and more. Minky back quilts are some of the nice, most luxurious blankets out there. The wax canvas and many other substrates are now entering into the bag making industry more and more. It's now allowing more and more quilters to hone in skills that were never before seen. Notions have gotten so good over the years that there's literally a notion for everything, and there's probably 2 or 3 for everything in reality. We have specific template rulers, we have specific technique rulers, we have specific pinning options, numbering processes, so many different items, but all in all, they help alleviate very specific frustrations of the craft. If you're not a fan of squaring up half square triangles the traditional way, there's at least 20 different notions out there that could help you. All you have to do is find the right one for you. We also have to realize that these are only the things that you guys see when walking into the quilt store. Here at So Yeah Quilting, there is so much more equipment than you could possibly imagine. Between the vinyl printers, sticker printers, industrial grade printers, laser machines, 3D printing machines, industrial grade cutting machines, electric scissors, electric rotary cutters, there are so many more products that are making this industry better and better every day. But guys, with all of that being said, has the industry gone too far? Now, this is So Yeah's personal belief. We've got to embrace the changes. The quilting industry is the largest it's ever been. The reason being is that so many different products have been made, so many different substrates, techniques, and abilities of machines have gotten so much better that pretty much anyone can find their little niche in our industry that they know and love. If you're a bag maker, make bags. If you like to make trinkets, make trinkets. If you love quilts, if you love minky, if you love flip and sews, there are so many different varieties readily available for every single person out there. Now, it also might sound crazy to you that we have an industrial grade laser that cuts fabric in intricate fashions to make appliques. If you're not an appliquer, you probably think that's overkill. For our applicators out there, they love the ease of use of that. It allows them to do projects way more in-depth, way more intricate. We have to embrace all sides of this. One of my biggest embraces of the industry that I love is the substrates. We love our quilting cotton, don't get me wrong, but it's really nice to see some of these other products enter our industry and kind of have a revival. Flannel is on its revival stages. Minky is hotter than it's ever been. High loft polyester, soft as can be. We love to see that as well. Even different size pieces than what you're probably used to. We're seeing 90 wide minkies enter our industry. 80 wides are even starting to enter our industry more and more. There are so many new products entering the industry that make it a little bit easy for a very specific customer. Now guys, let us know down in the comment section too, what part of the industry you feel like has gone too far. Is projectors and sewing machines too far? Is the industrial grade cutting too far? Let us know down in the comment section. And additionally, while you're down there, let us know what part of the industry you want to see more attention on. Do you want to see more of the cutting machines, more of the advanced technology and sewing machines? Let us know, because we always like hearing it, and hopefully we can better help the industry along. But if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't be afraid to share it with your friends. We've been walking around this beautiful quilt store, and if you've seen anything you like, just know soyaquilting.com is open 24/7. Pick yourself up a new kit, new pre-cut, or anything else that you've seen in this video. And with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.